Hey guys, so recently I was browsing the internet and I came across this clip of an acrylic pour, and it inspired me to try and do something similar myself. So here was my attempt at acrylic pouring. So as I was new to this, I didn't have any of the supplies. So what you saw me mix, instead of the flowing agent, I just used 1 part Elmer's glue, 1 part water. And I mixed that 1 to 1 with all my different paints so that they would be fluid enough to flow onto the canvas, but not too fluid that they ran off like liquid. So here you can see me adding them to the dustpan. So I added them in a sort of random fashion, as I didn't really understand how I was going to pour out. But I knew I had to spread the colours around. I didn't want any of the same colours too close to each other. But it's kind of a random process. You really can't control how the paint pours. So here's the first pour. I had a little trouble getting it started, as I couldn't balance the paint in the pan. However, as you see in the second two, it was a little bit better coming towards the end. It's also I had to paint the canvas itself white, so that I used house paint. I just mixed house paint with a little bit of the flowing agent, and that allowed it to run around the canvas pretty easily and allowed a better pour onto the canvas. So thanks for watching. If you watched this to the end, thanks a lot. It really means a lot. And I'll see you soon.